plant of the week today, this week, is going to be St. John's wort. St. John's wort is a native shrub to North America. Great for pollinators, great for our area because it is super tough. We have two different kinds here. We have Hypernicum frondosum and Hypernicum calamintha, which both are great for pollinators. Blooms kind of the end of June, and it will bloom all the way till mid-July, so about a month of blooms. Very unique blooms. Bees love this plant. They will come in droves, and it's great for them. So this frondosum actually does have some really nice fall colors, some kind of pinks, some yellows in that. This version is a little bit more evergreen, so it kind of holds its needles through the winter, where this one has a little bit better fall color. The frondosum, Hypernicum frondosum, sunburst St. John's wort is good for dry sites, where the cobalt and gold is likes a little bit wetter soils. So in all, these are great shrubs, great native shrubs that will fill your landscape with lots of blooms during summer when the pollinators need them the most. Let's go to Gannon with the weather.